Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open a Filmora project in another computer. So let's say for example that you have been working on your Filmora project. So for example, let's make a project real quick and just like so, we go here, let's drop a clip and etc. Something like that. And we save it, something like that. Now, after we edit this clip and we add, for example, audio files to it, let's add an audio file here and let's reduce this a little bit. Let's make this muted, for example. The song is working well, so that's good sign. Now we can add a text, for example, here and whatever we would like. And yeah, let's say that you wanted to move from your PC into another PC and you don't really know how to do so. Basically, Filmora gives you the option of saving your project. And for example, here you can save your project and you can save it whatever you'd like. So let's click, for example, VE project. Let's save it. And then what you can do basically is go to that project file. So let's go here to this file and then let's go to document where we saved our project. And here, if we find, let's check if I can find it. So if I go down, what did, okay, it is currently, let's check what did I name it? VE Project 1. So it will be named something like VE Project 1. Let me just add something to it so I can know where did I save it. So let's go to export here. All right. So anyway, now let's after you find this your like your file, what you're gonna do basically is just copy it, and for example, can paste it on like on your USB key or your USB key. You can also, for example, upload it like on media file, for example, or any kind of pages that can you can upload that file on it and then install it on your PC. You can also go to this option which is up in here and just like so you can like uh transfer your files like from your PC into another by logging into your account. So you go to the other PC, you log into your account, so the same account must be logged in, and then you can transfer files from your PC into the other PC. So yeah guys, that's how you can open your Filmora project in another computer. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.